How to convert your Roblox credit into Robux. So basically, if you go ahead and open up your Roblox account in here, the method is going to be working for both mobile device and as well as your laptop or PC. So once you've accessed it and ensure that you log into your account, so if you purchase any Robux points directly from the game, there are some features added to that specific amount where you will be choosing that if you purchase 1,000 amount of Robux points, you will receive kind of more like around $5 to $10 credit depending on the feature that you purchase. So it will automatically be converted into your Roblox credit. So the way converting it into Roblox, what you can do is to open up any working browser on your mobile device or through your laptop or PC. All you have to do is just by simply typing in roblox.com/redeem, and then you will be redirected to Roblox redemption page. So if you successfully purchase any amount of Robux from Roblox and you have received a amount of a Roblox credit, it will usually be visible below this redeem option. All you gotta do is just simply click on your current Roblox credit and you will not have any choices than to convert it into your Roblox balance. Once you have confirmed it, it will automatically reflect on your Roblox balance onto your Roblox account. So that's it. That's the most convenient way of converting your Roblox credit into Robux.